Yeah, boarding a speedboat for one of the nearby islands. We are on Sanur Beach in Bali. Yeah, it's a heavy swell coming in. There's a reef out there, but it only dampens a bit. Sometimes the boats, oh dear, look, the boat is lifted. Sometimes it's sitting on the bottom, which makes things less dynamic. There, one lady lost one of his golden shoes. People are going to a ceremony on a nearby island, Nusa Penida. It looks, I have a feeling the boat is a bit overloaded. The freeboard at the back is nothing to, rather is something to write home about. If the boat gets stuck without engine power and get this swell from behind, I will get the water will pour in, I guess. Here they're boarding a kid. Just lift him on board. Yeah, it's almost all on board, I think.